Hey guys, Eric Kyle here, publisher of Great Lakes Scuttlebutt magazine, and I'm excited to be down at the Cedar Point Boat Show right here in Sandusky, Ohio, and I love this show. Kicks off the whole fall boating season. As a matter of fact, while I'm here, I'm kind of wandering around. I'm looking for some fun and exciting things to report to you guys on, and I ran across my good friend Tom Mack over at South Shore Marine. Tom, how are you, brother?
Good to see you, Eric.
It's always a pleasure, my man.
Not a boat show without you.
That's right, or with you, whether we're in Michigan or Ohio. I love that. So tell me, you have a lot of wonderful things going on over at South Shore, but this Chris Craft thing has really got me super excited because it's a Great Lakes boat. Tell us about your relationship now with Chris Craft Marine.
Right, so we started with Chris Craft about June of this year. A couple new boats came in, I rolled off the truck, so it's a new adventure. You know, the company really was that great American legend story, kind of got rebranded in the early 2000s. And really has not had a dealer presence in this market in Lake Erie for quite a long time.
Yeah.
So to many of our customers in the area here, they think it's all new and just back. It's actually been back and strong and going in other markets for a while. So,
oh yeah.
But you know, it's a beautiful blend of that rich heritage with the beautiful lines and the traditional styling, but still that more modernized construction, really nice offshore hull designs. And like many manufacturers in the last couple of years, we've got the Yamaha outboard power option as well as stern drive, depending on the model. So it's really exciting. You know, what's different about it, you've got the beautiful teak accents and that heritage package, they call it. Incredible upholstery and lounge areas and seating. That tumble hone transom that's so pretty with custom hull paint. So for somebody who wants something a little more different, maybe a little on the exotic side, it's really a beautiful boat.
Well, and the name Chris Craft, everybody's familiar with it in the marine space. This is the brand to have. And it looks like, Tom, from looking around some of the different models you have, you've got quite the lineup. What do you have here at the show?
So we've got two of their dual console models, which are called Calypsos. And we got a 26 and a 30 in outboard. Two of the center consoles called Catalina. Okay, this is a 30 Catalina Pilot with a little living area. They're all outboard. If you pan over just a little to the right, we've got the Launch over there, the Launch 27, which is really that low profile, sleek speedboat style. You know, so many people come up and say, my grandpa had one of those.
Yeah, yeah.
And their heart starts pounding at that boat, you know, because it's so pretty. So.
And I see these boats out on the Great Lakes a lot now. It seems like the comeback for Chris Craft in the last 10 years has been phenomenal, especially here in our market.
Yep. Well, and when you get out on the water, it's a heavy boat, very solid, you know, unitized construction, great glass work, and a really nice running surface. So while it's really beautiful on the top side and luxurious looking, it's a really good running offshore hull design that takes this kind of water really well.
Yeah. So tell me a little bit about South Shore Marine. You guys carry multiple brands.
Yep.
Tell me why the decision to bring Chris Craft on to your complement of other products.
Yeah, so in outboard world, we're really strong with Grady White and Pursuit, and Regal's ventured into the outboard world as well.
I noticed that.
So, you know, it was a decision we had to look at very carefully to bring in Chris Craft because they're all pretty high-end boats.
Yep.
But we felt that Chris Craft, especially in the Midwest, you've got the history going way back from Michigan in the late 1800s. It's been around forever. It's sort of that American legend. We thought, you know, we're gonna bring it back to this market and let the customers who love this product have something to look at.
Well, how's it going so far?
Great start. The reception is a lot of wows. You know, people haven't seen them much around here, so when they see the teak and the upholstery and the custom paint, they're pretty excited.
Well, Tom, before we take a ride, and I hope we get to take a ride today, tell me if I'm not able to make it down to the Cedar Point show, what's the best way that I should be able to get in touch with you guys to come out and see one of these beautiful boats in person and go for a boat test?
Yep. Okay. Visit us online, southshoremarine.com. It's real simple.
Okay.
If you're running along the highway across Lake Erie here, Route 2 and Rye Beach Road, last year we finished the new showroom. It's very visible from the highway. Became a landmark is the Huron Water Tower. It's red, white, and blue. It looks like a fishing bobber. It's right at Rye Beach Road and Route 2, and our showroom is adjacent to it. Real easy to find.
Okay, Huron, Ohio, or just simply go to southshoremarine.com.
Yep.
Okay, let's go for a ride. Tom, thank you so much.
Let's do it. Thank you.
SouthshoreMarine.com, guys. Make sure you go there, check out a beautiful lineup of boats. Not just Chris Craft, but all kinds of other boats, used boats, service, storage. They do it all over there. But we're going to especially look at this Chris Craft line. So thanks so much for joining us today, and we'll see you out on the water.